So, if I want to match them properly, then the proper answers, suppose psychrophilic organisms, as last time we have discussed psychrotropic organism and psychrophilic organism. So, psychrophilic organisms are which grow well at 0 degree centigrades. Now, 1 and 2 it is confusing. So, here organism is growing 0 to 7, but optimum temperature is between 20 to 30. So, it may be a psychrotrophs, it may not be a psychrophilic organisms. So, P, the correct answer for psychrophiles is grow at a 0 degree centigrade temperatures. Then we have to consider second one, psychrotrophs. So, psychrotrophs, it is not growing above 20 degree. So, 1. So, for P2 Q1. Third one, mesophiles. So, organisms which are growing between 20 to 40 degrees. So, it is P2 Q1 R3, and halophiles which require right salt concentrations, maybe 7%, maybe 20%. So, P2 Q1 R3 and S4. So, can you tell me either A, B, C, D which is the correct answer for this? P2 Q1 R3 and S4. So, A is the correct answers for this column. Which of the following statements are correct or is correct? As I gave you the mannitol salt agar medium in my lectures, for the growth of Staphylococcus organisms. So, which of the following statement is based on this type of discussion? Mannitol salt agar is an example of a selective medium used to select out one species of microorganisms. Those bacteria that live at pH level from 5 to 8.5 are known as a neutrophiles, and Mycobacterium leprae can be cultivated on solid media containing agar. So, you have to look to the combinations which answer are correct. So, A is giving P and Q. So, where mannitol, so it is correct because mannitol is a selective medium. Q means the organisms which are growing between pH 5 to 8.5, they would be known as a neutrophilic organisms. Then B is PQR. So, Mycobacterium leprae cannot grow on a medium containing agar, which is very fastidious organisms, very fastidious, which require tissue culture or which requires organs. So, BQR is not correct. QR, the R is not correct. So, that is also, C is also not correct, and R last, that is also. So, the correct answer for this is A, P and Q. Choose the correct pair. Here the Triptychus soya agar, which is supportive medium, blood agar enriched medium, McConkie agar either it is selective as well as the differential medium, beef extracts is defined medium. When we are growing these organisms, we are adding penicillin, because penicillin will inhibit the growth of actively growing organisms. So, depending upon the growth of organisms, either we can select the correct answer. In the penicillin enriched medium, auxotrophic mutants are isolated based on which principles? So, auxotrophs and phototrophs. So, when we are adding a minimal medium, the auxotroph will not grow as fast as the prototrophs. So, in a penicillin enriched medium, auxotrophic mutants are isolated based on the following principle: both the auxotroph and phototrophs grow, but at a different rate in a minimal medium. Only the prototroph grow and get killed while the auxotroph remain unaffected. While the prototroph grow readily, auxotroph grow with a lag phase. Only the auxotroph grow in supported by the minimal medium. So, if you look to these combinations, then the correct answer is both the auxotroph and phototrophs grow but at the different rate. So, due to this penicillin is not inhibiting the auxotrophs because it is growing in minimal medium. Auxotroph will not grow, it requires some nutrient components. So, it grows slowly, and that is why the A is the correct answer for this. What properties is or are not expected to significantly different between hot spring bacteria that is growing at higher temperatures and intestinal bacteria which is growing at 35 degrees centigrades, which require certain understanding regarding the types of the amino acid, types of the protein presents, types of the molecular weight of the proteins, and the GC richness. So, in this case the correct answers for is number of the methionine in the protein and molecular weight of the protein, which is what property is not expected to be significantly different. These two things are not different. Cysteine is different, GC rich compounds are also different in case of the thermophilic and the mesophilic organisms. Richness of the saturated fatty acids is also different in this group of organisms. That is why the correct answers were Q and R. So, it is B. B is the correct answer for this. Now, import of vitamin B12 into the gram negative bacterial cell is facilitated by the special class of a protein in the outer membrane. Once again, here we have not discussed in detail the which type of the protein, where it is formed, but now proline. Porins is a materials which is outer membranes, and the D is the correct answer for this. This also we have not discussed in detail, but if you want to find out the Dendroff pathway, where when the glucose is degraded, what types of the molecules are produced, either 1 ATP and 1 NADH, 1 ATP, 1 NADH and 1 NADP, 1 ATP and 2 NADH, or 2 ATP and 2. The correct answer is 1 ATP, 1 NADH and 1 NADPH. That is the what is required for the heat stability of the bacterial spore. Here once again 4 answer is given: calcium, sodium, magnesium and potassium. As we know that calcium is required for the stability of the bacterial spore, magnesium is required for the stability of the ribosome and nucleic acids, but the calcium is the correct answer which is required for the stability of the spores. I think with this we are completing this. So, if anything is not clear, for this you have to go through the whatever the lecture which is given and whatever the table we have discussed, where electron acceptor and donors are given, and from this you can find out, you can form many types of the MCQ and you can get answers. Thank you very much.